I can't believe I'm putting this in my engine right now.
Oh my god!
You ready for this, man?
Yeah, dude, I don't know about this crazy idea of yours, but let's give it a shot.
It's gonna be crazy. I can't believe we're gonna do this.
Dude, I got a great idea. For the next video, we should try using Starbucks coffee as engine oil.
Dude, that's a brilliant idea. We should definitely try that. If the car lasts after today, that is.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure nobody's ever thought of this great idea. Totally original.
Totally original idea. I'm gonna tell my wife that when she comes back. I wore a GoPro chest mount and it felt like I was wearing a bra.
Now I know how she feels. So today we are here at Up Garage to
check out that thing, man. Nice big little turbo.
Oh, nice. Spin, spin, spin.
All right, we're not here for that though. Let's go. We need to get to the, believe it or not, we need to get to the engine oil section. Down here. Delta Racing response. Do you think 15W50 is enough?
Well, the Japanese stuff is really, really good. So, I mean, it's engine oil, so I don't know if it's a good idea, but it's your car.
I don't know, man. Like, I couldn't find any information about this online. I don't think anyone's ever done this before. All right, well, I need 2 because this is only 4 liters, and the RV takes like 4.2, 4.3 liters, and I got an oil cooler too. So, I mean, do I really care though? This could break my car.
Things we do for YouTube. All right.
Science, man. I think the best part about this is if it all goes wrong, I can buy an S15.
That was the entire plan all along, so.
Oh yeah.
He's trying to get rid of the car.
Gonna get rid of the R chassis for an S chassis.
Ooh,
check out
dope.
this thing.
Yeah.
This is cool as.
Damn.
And then the Atasha S15. This is, I mean, I'd trade my 33.4 for this in a heartbeat.
With the anime library?
Huh?
With the anime library?
Totally. I totally rock Atasha.
All right, so now we're at the home center.
Yep. We got this. This is really important. This is, you don't use oil trays in Japan. You use these things and you just fill it up with oil and then toss it in the bin when you're done. Okay, so we need one more really important thing. I think it's down this aisle. This is it. Here it is. You guys will find out at the end of this video why this is so important for what we're doing today. Man, I am nervous, hey. All right, let's pop the hood.
This is it, moment of truth.
I'm nervous. I hope this doesn't hurt my engine. Let's get, you know, safety first, right? Get that under there just in case it drops.
That JDM cardboard.
Yep. Yep. This is some rare stuff too. This stuff's worth a lot. Here we go. All the absorbent cloth in here that absorbs all the engine oil.
It's like a tampon for your car.
Yep, yep, literally. Alright, let's go under. Oh yeah. Didn't get it everywhere, all over my hand, luckily. Okay, that's pretty much everything out of the sump. Let's put this back in. Tighten her up. Alright. Clean off any excess oil. There we go. All good. Twist it all up, and then all you got to do is they provide you a little mini zip tie. You just put that around and do it as tight as you can so the oil can't leak out. And then when the trash man comes and collects it, he collects this and it goes to a special department that then processes this. It's kind of really efficient here in Japan.
Cool. That's easy.
Yeah. All right, that's that done.
Like car tampon.
Yeah, literally. All right, now it's the moment of truth. We've got our JDM funnel. This is Japanese ginger ale.
Yep.
Some Japanese ginger ale, and I've rinsed it out, so we'll just get any excess water out of there. That is really hot. My genuine JDM Tome oil cap. It's in the shape of a piston. We're gonna put that sucker there, and then let's go get the engine oil.
Perfect fit.
Yeah, perfect fit, man. RBs. So let's get the goods. Here we go.
Moment of truth, guys.
We'll start with one first and work our way up. Truth, I'm crazy. I can't believe I'm putting this in my engine right now of my drift car. Let's just hope that it doesn't have a disastrous effect. It shouldn't. I mean, it says here like super specialization lubricant, 100% synthetic, and it says here in Japanese, good for drift, drag, like it says on the can. So it must be good.
Does it actually say street race on it?
Yeah, yeah.
It's
And I mean, it's pretty lubricanty. I mean, it feels okay. It might work. I don't know. Man, I just put 4 liters in this thing. Straight, just like 0 to 100. No halfway, no half mixing. Just straight there. Okay, so we're right on the full mark. So we're good. 4 liters, exact. There you go. Oh, so hot. Okay, so now what we're going to do is going to put the rest of this engine oil in this little bottle, which we're going to need. Oh, we're spilling it everywhere. Which we're going to need at the end of the video. Yeah, I think that'll be enough. All right. So see, we got all that in the bottle. You guys have to make sure you get to the end of the video to see what this is for. This is the most important thing about all of this science that we're doing today. It is so important. All right, so what do you think is going to happen, Elbow? Like, do you think the car and everything's going to be all right? Like, before we get out on the street and start driving this thing, like, we've got it idling right now, but what do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to be, like, the first couple of things?
I think there's a 50% chance the whole thing's just going to explode all at once.
I hope not. Hope not. I really want my daily drifter to be okay.
I mean, you really don't know with this engine oil stuff, right? Like,
Yeah.
I don't think anybody's ever tried this.
Yeah.
So it's
Like, I tried Googling
hires.
it, and it came up with, like, a whole bunch of people, like, trying other stuff, like baby oil and things like that, but no one's ever tried engine oil in their engine.
This is why we're YouTubers. We do the hard work so people don't have to damage their cars.
Yes, that's it. And I guess, like, everyone always wants to know, like, what if I put engine oil in my engine? Like, is it going to survive? Is it going to be okay?
Well, now they're going to find out.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah. Me personally, I think, like, it should be okay because it said on the can, it said, like, it was a lubricant.
Yeah.
It said it was good for, like, you know, racetrack driving and street driving and circuit and stuff like that. So, I mean, it should be okay. So, we're idling right now. Everything's looking okay. So we're going to do a couple pulls and kind of like fully mat it to test it and see what's going on. But hopefully
This is it.
This is do or die. This is D-Day, man. Let's do it. Everything so far seems to be okay. I have good oil pressure, no oil light.
At low speeds around the neighborhood is okay.
I mean, I just gave it a little bit of a mat in there and it seems to be all right. It sounded good. Well, let's do a fully matted like pull and just see what it does. All right. Whoa! That's fast.
Woo. I guess basically you just put random things into your engine until you figure out the best that works.
Yeah, well, I mean, as long as it says lubricant, it should work, right? I mean, that's what this whole video is about. It's science, so that you guys don't have to find out the hard way. We do. I really wish there was somewhere here in Japan where we could just go and do a few donuts and like practice drifting in a car park. It sucks not having Mexico so close, hey? Everyone in the States is so lucky they can just, you know, go 500 meters down the road and there's Mexico. And what's gonna happen if like it just blows up while we're driving on the Tomei Expressway? Like,
you think it's gonna be worth it for YouTube?
I don't know, man. It depends on the views. If we can get like 3 million views, then I don't care if I blow up the car, you know, because then I can just buy another one.
All that AdSense money, right?
Right. All right, let's do another fully matted.
All right.
We go.
Oh my God!
Did you hear that?
Oh man, this engine oil is super effective.
Man, I don't know, man.
Who would've thought?
This
Who
could be
would've
the
thought?
next thing.
I think you just discovered something that nobody else has ever thought of before.
Man,
Who would have think to put engine oil in an engine? It doesn't make sense.
it's
But
ludicrous,
it works.
man. They don't want you to know this. It's a conspiracy. Everyone just wants you to just buy WD-40 and put it in your car, but this whole time we've been doing it wrong. 15W50, high performance, racing engine oil. It's great. and it's cheaper. Okay, so can you use engine oil as engine oil? Kind of yes, and no. Like I don't know. I don't feel comfortable telling you guys it's okay to put in your engine. I don't want to be held responsible for that.
But it seems to work.
It seems to work fine. Yeah, like we did multiple pulls. I don't have any engine knocks or like holes in the block. Nothing happened. Nothing burst into flames or anything.
So for now, at least for the next several thousand kilometers, it should be okay.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable telling you guys to do that. But definitely in our case, it seems to work, and I think I'm going to keep trying it. But before you guys go, don't forget we now have our own vape juice at fullysickjdmvape.com. This stuff blows some serious clouds. The model code for it is 10W40, so you know it will produce some serious good clouds. But yeah, guys, we'll catch you in the next one.
See ya. Peace.
All right, guys, so all jokes aside, obviously this video was a bunch of fun to make, and we're obviously kind of doing a bit of a parody of what you see on the Life OD channel.
Love those guys.
Yeah, great dudes. I actually made sure I DM'd them first on Instagram, and Chow's also a rad dude. We also keep in contact a fair bit on Instagram, which is awesome. But make sure if you like this video and this kind of content of essentially foreigners here living in Japan, living the life, as they say, go check out Elbow's channel. He has a channel called Drift Hunters. What kind of stuff do you show there?
So Drift Hunters is basically a documentary series that kind of covers the underground side of Japanese street racing and drifting, things like that.
Yeah, so really cool. It's literally like Discovery Channel, but like JDM version. And then if you like, you know, this kind of video, plus lots of vlogs about drifting and my journey getting all the way up to like D1 competition level here in Japan, definitely subscribe to my channel as well. But anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me what you thought in the comment section. Do you want to see me do more of these kind of satire, funny kind of parody videos like this of other car related like videos that are going viral and stuff like that, and just kind of like, I don't know, playing along with the joke, as they would say? But otherwise, you've been great. I'll catch you on the next one. Jamatane.